Hello, welcome to the JD Tech Hub channel. Today I am going to show you a Dahua Box Camera. As you can see, this is a very special camera. Now, let's see how to fix the lens. In this camera, lens will come separately. You need to buy the lens separately. As you can see, this is the way you can fix the lens to the Dahua Box Camera. In this case, I am using 2.7 to 13 millimeter lens. This will give you a very good clear video footage. Let's see how it works with the Dahua camera casing. In this case, I'm also using a Dahua camera case to protect the Dahua Box Camera. As you can see, this is the way you can install the camera, and you can see the cable connections. Let's see how it works. As you can see, we can use the wiper when it is rainy. This is the web interface of the Dahua Box Camera. It is very easy to initialize and configure this camera. No any special configuration part required, because this is also Dahua camera, so web interface very similar to the other cameras as well. So thanks for the watching. I will hope to bring you another video. Thanks.